Hello class, my name is Thompson. I'm a trainer at Rubavu Technical College TVET, and today we are going to complete together the second part of our module, which is called Repair Audio Amplifier. And today's topic, we are going to see how to repair an audio amplifier motherboard. At the end of this session, each learner will be able to identify different main parts of an audio amplifier and how to rectify common fault of an audio amplifier. As we are learning together, I invite you to take some note and do a practical exercise with me as we are learning together. Firstly, as we have seen in our first session, we have seen the main part of an audio amplifier, the external part and the internal part. And also, we have seen together how to do assembling and disassembling. Now, we are going to see together the main part of an audio amplifier motherboard. There is a transformer which is used to step down or to reduce S current which came from our home socket in order to be converted well. And as you can see, this one is a rectifier, which is a combination of 4 diodes which are combined together to form what is called a bridge rectifier, which is used to convert alternative current into direct current. The third one, as you can see, is a filter, which is used to remove all unwanted AC signal remain while rectification going on. And as you can see, this one is a regulator. It's used to supply the required DC output needed by the internal component to work properly. And this one is an amplifier. As you can see, it has some capacitor, some IC amplifier which is embedded to the circuit of this amplifier, and also some resistor, as you can see. And the last one is a cooling system, used to reduce the hotness of the transistor or IC attached on it. It's used for cooling purpose. And now, as we finish to see the main part of our audio amplifier motherboard, we are going to see together the common fault in which occur in the audio amplifier motherboard. As you can see, sometimes there is no input voltage when the audio amplifier is not responding with the input voltage. The next one is when a filter blown up. A blown up of resistor, those resistors which are made our circuit when one of them are blown up. A blown up of a rectifier if one of those diodes or all of them are blown up. For example, if the rectifier is blown up, it will cause the audio amplifier to shut down because without current flowing, there is no power to the remaining part. A blown up of a transformer, the last fault is when there is a cooling fault. Those are the general common fault of an audio amplifier motherboard. And now we are going to see together how to rectify audio amplifier motherboard general faults. Firstly, you have to remind yourself the tips of soldering and soldering. You have to know how to soldering and desoldering different components of an audio amplifier motherboard. And lastly, you have to do what is called replacement of defected component according to the type. The filter is blown up. Support this capacitor. By the use of a digital multimeter, you may take some measurement, and then after all, you replace it according to the types. And also, if one of those resistors is blown up, as you already seen in general fault of an audio amplifier, you have to test it slowly by the use of a digital multimeter, as you can see, and then after all, you remove the defected component and replace it according to the type. After that, you have to test an audio amplifier. When you're going to test an audio amplifier, you test all part of an audio amplifier. As you already finished to rectify a fault of an audio amplifier, you have to test if the fault is resolved. By the use of functionality testing, you test if the way the audio amplifier used to perform is equal to the current situation. And after that, you have to do what is called voltage measurement at different stage of an audio amplifier. You test the topper transformer or a transformer. You test the rectifier by the use of a digital multimeter. You test the regulator. You test the amplifier, and so on. You test different stage of an audio amplifier motherboard. And finally, when you finish to test, you do what is called assembling, which is to fix together, as you can see, separated pieces in order to form one wall. As we are learning together, I hope you took some note and you keep doing some practical exercise with me as we were running together. Thank you for your attention. This is the end of our module, which is called audio amplifier. See you next time. Enjoy.